Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to lock your joystick in Rocket League Sideswipe. So to do this you need to go to your settings, game settings, joystick lock, and just locked. Now it will be locked and it won't move around. I'm just gonna show you example here. So we go to training, free play, start match, and here it won't move a bit even if I move it around like this. But if we go to settings, show options, joystick lock unlocked, it will move around the screen like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.